Welcome to Digital Learning DCE. Myself Sunita MS, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics. In this video, we are going to learn the chapter Differential Calculus. Under that, the topic of discussion is maxima and minima of a function of two variables. Definition of maxima: a function f of x comma y is said to be maximum at the point a comma b if f of a comma b is greater than f of a plus h comma b plus k for small values of h comma k, positive or negative. Definition of minima: a function f of x comma y is said to be minimum at point a comma b if f of a comma b is less than f of a plus h comma b plus k for small values of h comma k, positive or negative. Necessary and sufficient conditions for maxima or minima. So necessary condition for f of x comma y to have an extremum at a comma b are that dou f by dou x equal to 0 and dou f by dou y equal to 0 at the point a comma b. The point a comma b is called stationary point. Sufficient conditions: f of a comma b is maximum value if fxx is double derivative dou square f by dou x square fyy dou square f by dou y square minus fxy means dou square f by dou x dou y whole square greater than 0 and double derivative of fxx means dou square f by dou x square is less than 0. F of a comma b is a minimum value if double derivative of dou square f by dou x square dou square f by dou y square minus dou square f by dou x dou y whole square greater than 0 and double derivative of dou square f by dou x square is greater than 0. Working rule for finding extreme values of f of x comma y. Step 1. Find fx and fy and equate these to 0. Each pair of values of a comma b of x comma y so obtained gives a critical point of f of x comma y. In step 1, we have to differentiate partially with respect to x and partially with respect to y and equate these to 0. Step 2. Find a equal to fxx means dou square f by dou x square, b is equal to fxy means dou square f by dou x dou y, c is equal to fyy means dou square f by dou y square. Evaluate these at each critical point a comma b and also compute ac minus b square. Step 3. First one, if ac minus b square greater than 0 and a less than 0, then we say that the function f of x comma y is maximum at point a comma b. Second one, if ac minus b square greater than 0 and a greater than 0, then we say that the function f of x comma y is minimum at point a comma b. Third one, if ac minus b square less than 0, then we say that the function f of x comma y is neither maximum nor minimum at point a comma b. That is, a comma b is saddle point. Fourth one, if ac minus b square is equal to 0, it is a doubtful case. That means we cannot say that the function is maximum or minimum. Let us discuss problems on this. Show that f of x comma y is equal to x cube plus y cube minus 3x5 plus 1 is minimum at the point 1 comma 1. Solution: f of x comma y is equal to x cube plus y cube minus 3xy plus 1. So critical point is given. We have to show that the function is minimum at the point 1 comma 1. So we have to differentiate partially the function with respect to x. Derivative of x cube is 3x square, y cube is constant 0. With respect to x, minus 3y. Next, partially with respect to y, that is fy is equal to x cube is constant 0, y cube is 3y square minus, with respect to y is minus 3x. At point 1 comma 1, both fx and fy are equal to 0. Hence, 1.1, 1 comma 1 is a critical point. Now, we shall find the values of a comma b and c. A equal to fxx means differentiate the function fx partially with respect to x, that is 3x square. Derivative of 3x square is 6x. 3y is constant 0. B is equal to fxy. Differentiate the function fx partially with respect to y, that is minus 3. C is equal to fyy means differentiate partially fy with respect to y is 3y square. Derivative of 3y square is 6y. So 3x is constant 0. Then we compute AC minus B square, that is AC 6x into 6y is 36xy minus B square is minus 9. At point 1 comma 1, AC minus B square equal to 36xy. Put x equal to 1, y equal to 1. So 36 minus 9, 27 greater than 0, and A is equal to at point 1 comma 1, 6x equal to 6. 6 is greater than 0. Hence, AC minus B square is greater than 0 and A is greater than 0. Hence, f of x comma y is minimum at the point 1 comma 1. Show that f of x comma y is equal to xy into a minus x minus y. A greater than 0 is a maximum at the point a by 3 comma a divided by 3. F of x comma y is equal to multiply xy to a, that is xya minus xy to x, x square y minus xy to y, xy square. So differentiate the function partially with respect to x, that is fx is equal to derivative of xy a is ay minus differentiation of x square is 2xy minus differentiation of xy square is y square minus y square. So differentiate the function f with respect to y, that is fy is equal to derivative of xya is ax minus differentiation of x square y, keeping x square constant with respect to y is 1 minus keeping x is constant, y square के derivative is 2xy. We have fx is equal to 0 and fy is equal to 0 at a by 3 comma a by 3. Hence, a by 3 comma a by 3 is a critical point. So critical point is given. We have to show that the function is a maximum at the point a by 3 comma a by 3. Now we have to check a is equal to fxx means differentiate the fx partially again with respect to x, that is ay is 0 minus 2xy. Differentiation of 2xy is minus 2y, y square becomes 0. B is equal to fxy. Differentiate partially fx with respect to y. With respect to y, that is a minus 2xy differentiation minus 2x, y square differentiation minus 2y, and c is equal to fyy. Differentiate fy partially with respect to y, that is ax is 0 minus x square constant 0 minus 2xy differentiation with respect to y is minus 2x. Then we compute AC minus B square. That is AC minus 2y minus 2x, that is 4xy, minus B is a minus 2x minus 2y whole square. At point a by 3 comma a by 3, put x equal to a by 3, put y is equal to a by 3. That is 4 into a by 3 into a by 3 is a square by 9 minus a minus, put x equal to a by 3, it becomes 2a by 3 minus 2 into y, that is 2a by 3 whole square is equal to 4a square by 9 minus a minus 2a by 3 minus 2a by 3 is minus 4a by 3. So a minus 4a by 3 is minus a by 3. So minus a by 3 whole square is a square by 9. So 9 is the LCM. 4a square minus a square is 3a square. So 3 is a 9. We get a square by 3. A square by 3 is greater than 0. Also, a is equal to, at point a by 3, a is equal to minus 2a by 3. It is negative value less than 0. So AC minus B square is greater than 0 and a is less than 0. Hence, f of x comma y is maximum at the point a by 3 comma a by 3. The maximum value is, we have to substitute the function at x equal to a by 3 and y is equal to a by 3. We get a cube divided by 27. Find the extreme values of f of x comma y is equal to 2x square minus xy plus y square plus 7x. So given function is 2x square minus xy plus y square plus 7x. The necessary condition for extreme values, we have to differentiate partially with respect to x and partially with respect to y and equate these to 0. So differentiate the given function partially with respect to x. The derivative of 2x square is 4x, derivative of xy is minus y, plus derivative of 7x is 7 equal to 0. And differentiate the function partially with respect to y. Minus xy derivative is minus x plus derivative of y square is 2y is equal to 0. In this problem, critical point is not given. We have to find critical point by solving these two equations. Minus x plus 2y equal to 0. So minus x equal to minus 2y. Put x equal to 2y to the equation 4x minus y plus 7 equal to 0. So 4 into 2y is 8y. 8y minus y is 7y. 7y plus 7 is equal to 0. Therefore, y equal to minus 1. Put y equal to minus 1 to the equation minus x plus 2y is equal to 0. Then it becomes minus x plus minus 2. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to minus 2. Therefore, minus 2 comma minus 1 is the only critical point. Now a is equal to fxx means we have to differentiate fx partially with respect to x. We get 4. B is equal to fxy. Differentiate fx partially with respect to y, that is minus 1. C is equal to fyy. Differentiate fy partially with respect to y, that is 2. Now compute AC minus B square. AC 4 into 2 minus 1. So 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 greater than 0. And A is equal to 4. 4 is greater than 0. Therefore, at point minus 2 comma minus 1, f of x comma y as a minimum. Therefore, minimum value is, we have to given the function, put x equal to minus 2 and y equal to minus 1. 2 into minus 2 whole square is 4 minus, put x equal to minus 2 and y equal to minus 1 plus y square is minus 1 whole square is plus 1 plus 7 into minus 2 is equal to 8 minus 2 plus 1 minus 14 is equal to minus 7. Thank you.